Okay. We got the onion done. Easy peasy. We ain't got no pickles. Why we have no pickles, I don't know. We used to have more pickles than what we use.
Ladies and gentlemen, woo-wee! This is a jazzy fizzle. Tim, let me see you 1-2 step. Pink loves it when you 1-2 step. Ba 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 ba. Okay, sorry, I will not sing again, but that, of course, is Sierra 1-2 step, because Pink Fairy actually titled this video "Watched Him Dance / cooking dinner / vlog." What I showed there is the dancing, folks. That is all the dancing you are going to get from Tim. I'm disappointed. You're disappointed. But hey, let's watch this vlog and have a good time. By the way, my name is Kidneyjay. The J stands for jerk because my kidneys are a pair of jerks. And yes, this is a Pink Fairy 1, 2, 3 video. Listen, eating terribly, Pink on the sink, doing the dishes here. I skipped through a lot of it today, not gonna lie, because at this point, Pink's gonna do what Pink's gonna do. Pink's gonna eat what she wants to eat. She's gonna ruin her body. And that's all up to Pink. I am here just to, you know, say, hey, this isn't right. That's not right. This is gonna happen, possibly. And there you go. By the way, leave a comment down below. Love hearing from you. Subscribe if you're new, as well as I do have membership. So if you want to support my little channel that way, you can. So let's hear what Pink has to say. The Wilford Brimley of Ohio. Go to it.
This week, I think, is going by pretty quick. It's already the 7th, September 7th. Almost a full week of September gone already. Chris is going to be here for you now. You guys better get shop and get your tree up. Yes, you better. Anyways, get ready to make me a salad for lunch. I ain't nothing today. It's about noon. It's about 12:24, actually, to be exact. It's 12:24. So, yeah, I'm going to make me a salad. Ain't got a whole lot to go in it, but it's still going to be a salad. We got tomatoes and bell peppers and onion if I would.
Okay. So we talked about the lip here, who I named Prince Philip. I think maybe it could be yeast from uncontrolled diabetes. Someone said maybe it's a wart. Someone brought up in my comments a good point, which is why I love hearing from you guys. Said maybe it's a cholesterol deposit. Now, if that is true, because Pinky does have high cholesterol, we will name him Prince Philippid's. I think that would be perfect. But only her doctor can diagnose what the hell is going on there.
Put onion. I got my tomatoes. We'll use some of this green leafy lettuce. Tofu. And a few Italian croutons.
So by the way, she said she got up, hasn't had anything to eat. I don't know where that Cinnamon Toast Crunch went, just disappeared. And she's gonna have this salad. Wait till we get to further along.
Not too many. And some cottage cheese. I think I need another piece of lettuce though. You know me, I always eat cottage cheese in my salad. Guys, here's my salad. Yummy. Would you like some ranch with that salad, please? Just sitting here watching blood.
I do notice that cottage cheese seems to be making a comeback. Let me know if anyone has tried it in their scrambled eggs, because I'm a cottage cheese girly. It is renal friendly, full of protein, low phosphorus, low potassium. One of the foods, is sort of my go-to foods, especially when I want to boost up my protein but not eat a lot of meat.
And then I'm going to get some dinner and we'll go out and take a look at the garden.
I don't know what she said there. The Pink Fairy subtitles are on. I don't even think they picked up on what she was saying. She's watching some TV show. I don't even know. Blood something.
Let's consider later. You are good too. We're just going to grill out some hamburger and hot dogs. These are Collins hot dogs. And then we got some of the turkey burgers. Let's go throw some of them on. I'll make all these, but we definitely 100% will not eat them all. That's for sure. Not a whole pack, but you open the pack, it's like you can't put them back in. So I sprayed the lemon foil. We'll just put lemon foil down.
Okay, I mentioned before about Tim or her or whoever does the grilling or the barbecuing and cooking everything on tin foil over the grill. I do not get the point of that. But these lips and buttholes here, just because you can't get them back into the package, it's not like toothpaste coming out of a tube. You can't get it back. All you have to do is get yourself a Ziploc baggie and put what you don't want to eat back in the freezer to because obviously they haven't thawed out to freeze again, or put them in the fridge to thaw out and you can eat them during the week. You don't have to have them all at once. I
got the grill. Grill's done going. Let's get some made earlier. Some left. We had biscuits gravy with our salad. I know, weird conversation combo, but that's what we had. Our food.
Yeah, weird conversation for sure. I guess she meant combination. So she had biscuits and gravy with that salad. Tim is home. She tried to say before she eats out of loneliness because Tim's not home and no one's around, so I'm going to eat a whole bowl of mac and cheese, guys. Tim's around. She's still eating. It doesn't matter. Tim's there. Tim's not there. She's by herself. She's home. She's out. She's always eating the junk. Now here she's showing that she calls it a pineapple upside down cake, which people were in an uproar saying that's not pineapple upside down cake. That's what she called it. But she's showing here what's left. I think she's trying to allude that she brought it to her sister's house, and this is what's left.
4 about 4 slices of that cake left. And brought it back. What was left out of it.
See, brought it back. So she's trying to say she brought it to her sister's.
That I made, 3 or 4 days ago. See? That upside down pineapple cake. Still here, folks. It's still here. We haven't given it up.
Also, I have a feeling it's still here because no one liked the dang thing. You did not follow the instructions. You're supposed to put egg whites. You put whole eggs. No brown sugar in the upside down part. All right, let's watch Tim do his 1-2 step here in the background. I don't know if he was bored. Maybe he's on drugs. I don't know. Maybe you just gotta, have some devil's lettuce to put up with Pinky. I don't know. I don't think that's the case, but I'm just thinking what I would do.
I think everybody else does too. Because every time I do an onion, they're gone. No, I do. More onion, the better. The better they taste. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Oops, got a little too thick on one side. No.
Maybe Tim's there for safety reasons because she's going to cut off one of those damn digits one day.
It is what it is. So we're going to have my thick onion and stand back there behind me. See right there. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Okay. Got the onion done.
Love it when you
Easy
want
peasy.
to
We ain't
stop.
got no pickles.
Timmy loves
Why
to
we
want to
have no pickles? I
stop.
don't know. You said have more pickles than what we use. Here's dinner. Got some chip and dip. I need to clean you guys off. Got my burger with some mayo, onion, and some mozzarella cheese. This hell, good dip is the best dip ever.
So that's the hell of a dip. She did it in her haul the other day. So we got a carby bun. I guess she has a turkey burger for her health. Cheese, onion, and potato chips. Not a damn green thing in sight. But hey, she had the salad. But she also had biscuits and gravy, which she didn't show. Simple, easy dinner.
And my Dunkin's water.
All right, guys, that's it for me. Hi, Tim. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.